this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Hello, where were you yesterday?
Oh my god, no!
Where were you yesterday? You see, the funny thing though, you realize that I'm always vlogging. Like every time I choose to vlog with Bonnie, I'm always in this green shirt.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm in this green shirt, but here what? It's a nice shirt, and I'm sponsored by Aeropostale. No, I'm just joking. I'm not sponsored.
I was supposed to believe that.
Oh, let me get closer. All right. Just to note, Bonnie is sick right now. She has the
I
flu.
sound like a man.
So if
I sound like a
so if I
man.
catch the flu, it's Bonnie's fault. All right, I'm just saying that now. But Bonnie, what do you think about my beard?
It looks good.
But here it's kind of patchy. Say it needs to grow more
Yeah.
and stuff like that. Come in the vlog. Come in. Like he snaps.
No, group photo, man.
It's actually
it's a
vlogging.
It's a room boy. And there's one in there. Let me get this angle. Ooh, look at this angle. Come on.
No.
Come on. Put your face in there. So I want to, but I don't know. Sometimes I say I'm going to do something and then I change it.
Yeah.
To just cutting off everything and just keeping it low, the line up and stuff. But
It looks good though. I like it on you.
I guess I look older. I look more mature.
You do. You do.
Girls like mature men, right?
Of course.
Just putting it out there, I'm kinda single. Kinda.
Kind of. How are you kind of single?
I don't know.
What, you're in a halfway in relationship and the
Yeah.
other way is not?
My girlfriend doesn't want me again, so I'm just single now.
So you're single. He's not halfway, he's single.
Alright, I guess I'm single. Who knows?
You know.
You guess. You guessed it. Oh yeah, let me show you what goes on at school. You see, this is me and Bonnie, and we're like enjoying this, and this is like the rest of the school. Watch this. So you have people over there, two people talking there. Then you have everybody doing their own little thing. That's a new person right there. And that guy, yeah, she's new. And then that guy, and then that lady. So yeah, that's everybody. And then this is me and Bonnie, and we're trying to have some fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what gave you the flu, Bonnie? What did you do? Did you go in the rain? Did you
No, I don't know. I
forget to
keep
wear
getting
your
sick.
socks? Keep getting sick?
Yeah, and I'm not taking medicine, remember?
You need to take Dayquil, it works.
No medicine.
People tell Bonnie to take some Dayquil. She's stubborn. Take the Dayquil, it won't do anything to you. It's actually good.
I don't believe in medicine, Mark.
It's good. It's good for you.
think so?
Yeah, the medicine is good. People need to tell Bonnie to get well.
Yeah, because I don't want to sound like this no more. Sound like an old man.
No, it sound alright compared to
Compared
me
to
when I'm
what?
sick.
to my normal voice?
It's not that bad. Like, I don't know, like,
No, you didn't hear
Like
me
when
this
you're
weekend.
saying, alright.
That's why.
You see when like, because you're saying that your voice is like a man voice now, it's like I'm picturing like people that smoke and have that bad lungs and then you hear that deep voice. Oh. No, but to be honest, like you can know when somebody's a heavy smoker.
Yeah.
It's like the voice gets so deep. It's like I don't know.
Scratchy.
It affects the air going to their lungs, their voice box and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it gets real weird. It's like rah, rah, rah.
Raw.
Rah, 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 rah. So,
Only you, Mark. Only you.
oh god, I miss my sisters. Like sometimes I just like to just have fun, just make up my voice and stuff like that. It's fun, and they laugh and they enjoy it. I do like a Rastaman voice.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I only have sisters. I have three sisters. For all the English-speaking people, I pronounce their tree. Tree as in the tree.
There's tree, okay?
Tree. See, Bonnie gets it. Yeah, Bonnie gets tree. So I have 3 sisters and no brothers.
So you're the only boy?
Yeah.
Are you the youngest, the middle, the
No, the
oldest?
first one. I'm the first one.
Are you?
How many sisters and brothers?
I have 4 other. Brother.
Well,
So 3 girls.
Alright,
there you
fine.
go. So it's like.
Stop vlogging. Say bye bye. Peace.
Hey,
Alright.
Gavin.
Yes, that's Gavin, the skateboard guy. Is it getting you good? Because I can't see what I'm vlogging right now. Is it? You look at the screen. Oh my god, that's Gavin. Gavin is crazy. So, it's class time again, and I'm going to be here for like an hour more.
Really?
Because I have thing there.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick some jelly coconut. You know jelly coconut? You don't know jelly coconut?
What is that?
Probably you call it something different in Mexico.
Jelly
Spanish.
coconut?
Jelly. You know coconut, right? What do you call coconut in
Cocoa?
Cocoa, yeah, cocoa. Like the green ones that grows on the tree,
Yeah.
and then the water comes out of it. The coconut water.
Oh,
yeah.
I know what you're talking about. And
Say it
it's
in
like,
Spanish.
And it's like agua de coco.
It probably, yeah.
Say it.
Agua,
Agua
agua
de
de
coco.
coco.
See?
Agua de coco.
See?
Yeah. So we call it jelly coconut water. So I'm actually going to get a ladder and actually pick some green ones.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I might get locked up for it, but who cares?
Well, no, please no. Please try not to collect them.
I'll try not to get locked up, but we're heading to class now. So yeah, we're going to go.